I think, man, we're all trying to catch a wave to some degree.
Cetera presents Britt, the financial advisor.
I love the idea of being a part of a story where we only play a part, whether it be the financial part, whether it be the friend. We get it all. It's that trusted advisor status. It's not our story, it's their story. And for me, it's a life of significance. We try to be real. We try to be authentic. That kickstarts the relationship. And that's not one person trying to be everything to everybody. That's a team of people. And so it's not uncommon for a client to experience 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 people on the team throughout their working relationship.
I would probably be broke right now if I didn't have them.
Ben is absolutely completely different from me. I'm Brooks Brothers. He's tatted up.
Britt's open, he's honest, and he's open-minded.
He comes to us and says, hey, how do I invest my money? He just didn't know much about finances, and so we started working with him.
I was given the best advice possible, whether I like the way it sounds or not.
Cetera's opened up a really big platform for us. They've done a phenomenal job in helping us achieve that life of significance with our clients. A client got me into surfing. What I love about it is everybody's trying to catch the same wave. It's the eternal equalizer. We're all there doing the exact same thing in the exact same setup. It's spiritual in some way. And the idea of being present to catch the wave, that's pretty cool to me.
Your growth is our purpose. Visit Cetera.com.